We just want to have a quick dance face-off between their friends. Ladies and gentlemen, but before the quick dance face-off, Peller is going to call out one of his friends for me, who is going to be the hype king. And the only job that guy would have is to hype Peller. So Peller, can you please give me a guy from your team, from your groomsmen, that you know can hype you very well? Who? Joe Black. Where's Joe Black? Joe Black, where you doing? My brother, come outside. Fall out. Fall out, fall out, fall out. Now, Jarvis is going to give me an hype queen from our side. Who is going to hype her? My brother, straight there. We'll go meet you for there. Yeah, go there. A hype queen from Team Bride. The DJ will drop us an instrumental, actually. Yeah. Somebody that you know would hype you very well. Batife, where's she? Batife, please come. Yeah. So my guys, the rule is very simple. As Joe Black is hyping Peller, we are meant to keep the energy up. Do we understand? Do we understand? Yeah, so we're about to turn this place into a club for the next couple of seconds. And when Batife does ours as well, my ladies, all we have to do is keep the energy up. Are we ready? Ladies and gentlemen, Vertical Mix will drop an instrumental right now. And we're about to turn up for the one and only Peller.
Kai. Ipapa. Kai. Ugu iparipate. Uverekete. Ugu iparipate. Uverekete. Ugu iparipate. Uverekete. Kai. Ipapa. Ipoku. Ibalapa. Iberepe. Igidibi. Ibalaba. Iberebe. Ibalabala. Idibolulu. Idibelele. Idibele. Oya bese. The body. Bese. Ogo, overekete, iparipate, ogo, yay, overekete, ipari,
Thank you so much, man. Bring it on.
Yeah, type shit.
Type what's in?
Type shit.
That's it. We just saw Team Groom do their own. Batife, where are you? Batife, please come. Ladies and gentlemen, they say what a man can do,
a woman can do less.
My brother, will you drop that mic? Now we want to judge whether Joe Black is a better hype man than Batife. Ladies and gentlemen, she's going to hype Jarvis at this time. Give it up for Batife.
Go, Jarvis, go. Everybody say, Jarvis, we wanna party. One more time, Jarvis, we wanna party. Okay, let's go there. I wanna go there. Let's go there. I wanna go there. Let's go there. I wanna go. New body, go. New body, go. Jarvis, yo Peller. Jarvis, yo Peller. Either. Let's go. Up and down. I'm Mr. Peller. Jarvis is additional star and she needs $5 million for the bag.
My sister, who are you?
Mr. Peller. Mr. Peller.
You want marry Jarvis?
Mr. Peller. You want marry Jarvis? Mr. Peller.
You don't marry Jarvis?
Mr. Peller.
It's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, who is your winner for this one? DJ wait first. Who is your winner for this one? Joe Black or Batife? All in support of Team Jarvis, can I have you say aye? All in support of Team Peller, can I have you say aye? So is it conclusive? Jenny Coco. All right, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll have a quick dance face-off. Are we ready for the first dance now? Yeah, you can leave. So I need just one person each from your side that you know that can dance to save their life. Somebody that you know that will shut down the dance floor. Somebody that you know will shut down the dance floor. Sean Pizu, where are you? Ladies and gentlemen, Sean Pizu. Where's Sean Pizu? My brother. Is this silly that is coming or who? Coming. Who is coming? She don't even come outside by herself. My sister, step to the dance floor. Let's see you. Yes. Where is Sean Pizu? Please come. Please come. Come. Hi, coming. Coming, please come. My sister, the way you are please come. Yes. Step up nicely. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to know that the way she stepped on this floor gently, there's nothing gentle about her. There's nothing gentle about her. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Representing Team Jarvis is an international stepper. She dances for fun. This year alone, she has danced at 282 weddings. She has won 282. Ladies and gentlemen, she taught Michael Jackson how to dance. She taught who again how to dance? Beyonce. She taught Nicki Minaj how to dance. Can you make some noise for the one and the only Kami? Ladies and gentlemen, representing Team Peller is not here to joke. He's wearing a suit, but there's nothing suitable about the way he approaches dances. Ladies and gentlemen, he's known for his famous dance steps. Can you make some noise for the heavyweight champion, Sean Pizu? Manager, drop it.
Obli.
Here we go.
Obli.
Turn up. Yeah. Oh yeah, Sean, malo. Oh yeah, down. You don't have to get out. You're not the face off now. My brother, show that. Shewo. Oh yeah, give them energy. Give them that vibe. Give them energy. Give them that vibe. Oh yeah, now. Shaking in. You go to that. You go to move. You go to move. Shewo. Oh yeah, come and show them now. Energy. Start to the dance, start to the move, start to the dance, start to the move, start to the dance, start to the move, start to the dance, start to the move. We are 200, Hey, Adibo, it's okay. DJ Wet. Kilode. Kilagbe. What's up? Oh yeah, you don't win. Mona call Igwe for her. Igwe. Ladies and gentlemen, who won this one? Team Bride or Team Groom? Team Bride or Team Groom? You they go now. Thank you so much. A round of applause for the beautiful friends of the couple. Amazing. So right now, we'll quickly proceed to the first dance. Peller and his beautiful wife Jarvis will be on the dance floor for their first dance. This moment is exclusive to both of them alone. We are not meant to join them. We are not meant to spray them yet. When the time is ready, I will make the announcement for us to join them on the dance floor. But for now, it is a moment of slow dance for both of them alone. Just before we have the beautiful couple have their first dance, immediately after which we'll open the dance floor.